Hello everyone, how are you all? It's me, your chemistry teacher. So today we will be discussing about laboratory preparation of nitrobenzene. So let's get it started. Laboratory preparation of nitrobenzene. Dear student, it is one of the most easiest as well as important laboratory preparation among the 5 laboratory preparation given in your syllabus. So, how the nitrobenzene is prepared in the laboratory? So, for that, nitrobenzene is prepared in laboratory by treating benzene with conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4. This mixture is known as nitrating agent, NITRATING, nitrating agent, at 60 degrees Celsius. So this is the method how you prepare the benzene in the laboratory. So in this method, benzene is treated with conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4 at 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here is our benzene. This undergoes nitration, that is treated with conc HNO3 plus conc H2SO4 at 60 degrees Celsius. It forms nitrobenzene plus water. So this is the structure of nitrobenzene. This is benzene. So dear student, during the preparation of nitrobenzene in the laboratory, temperature plays an important role. Okay. So the temperature should not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. It's because at 120 degrees Celsius, when the benzene undergoes a nitration at 120 degrees Celsius, it forms M-dinitrobenzene. This forms NO2. It's called as M-dinitro, which you don't want to prepare. Okay, we want nitrobenzene. So this is the principle for the preparation of nitrobenzene. Okay, so now let's move towards the procedure. So before writing procedure, let us explain about the procedure. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is take a round bottle flask and take about 60 ml of conc HNO3 and 60 ml of conc H2SO4. This must be in 1:1 ratio, and this RB flask fitted with a thermometer and placed over a sand bath and a burner and attached to the stand. So during the preparation of nitrobenzene, what you have to do is we have to add benzene. How much? About 50 ml of benzene gradually by shaking and cooling on each addition of the benzene. When the whole benzene is consumed, that is the 50 ml of benzene is added to the mixture, it get reflux for about 1.5 hours. Okay, so after one and a half hour, a oily layer is formed on the surface of the mixture. Oily layer, alloys oily layer, alloys oily layer, having bitter almond smell. So this oily layer which is formed above the surface of the mixture is of conc HNO3, conc H2SO4 and the benzene. This oily layer is known as nitrobenzene. Okay, so that thing we should write in the procedure. So let's move to the procedure. 60 ml of conc HNO3 and conc and 60 ml of conc H2SO4 are taken in a RB flask about 50 ml of benzene is then gradually added to the flask. A little time with shaking and cooling after each addition. When all the benzene has been added, the mixture is reflux with water bath at 60 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours till yellow layer appeared on the surface with bitter almond smell. So this is the procedure by which laboratory preparation of nitrobenzene takes place. Now we have a mixture of nitrobenzene as well as benzene and conc H2SO4. So we have to move towards the purification process. In purification process, this upper layer is separated by using So let me explain first how we prepare this nitrobenzene. So at first, this above layer, this upper layer is separated by using the separating funnel. Now the nitrobenzene which we have is still not purified. What we have to do is we have to separate first, and we have to remove the acidic impurities, that is concatenol3 and concatenol. These impurities will remain in the nitrobenzene. So for the purification of that acid, we have to wash this nitrobenzene with sodium carbonate and several times with water. The sodium carbonate removes acidic impurities, and by washing this with the several times with the water, and finally it is that nitrobenzene is dried over the anhydrous CaCl2, and finally the obtained nitrobenzene is redistilled at the temperature range of almost 208 to 212, because the boiling point of the nitrobenzene is 210. So let's move towards the purification. So the upper layer is separated by using separating funnel. It is first, it means nitrobenzene, it is first washed with dilute Na2CO3 to remove acidic impurities, and then several times with water. It is then dried over anhydrous CaCl2, calcium chloride. It is finally distilled at about 208 degrees Celsius to 212 degrees Celsius to obtain pure nitrobenzene. Okay, because BP of nitrobenzene is 210. So for that we have to make another picture, another diagram. The diagram is this, and here is another figure for the distillation of nitrobenzene. So dear student, we have to draw both figure, reflux as well as this distillation of nitrobenzene. So in this way we can prepare nitrobenzene in the laboratory. Hope you will gonna understand. If you have any confusion, any kind of confusion, feel free to comment. Okay, so bye bye and take care.